Good morning guys, for today's video guys, magkilaw na naman tayo guys. So guys, ulang guys, hipon to guys, tsaka suka guys, tsaka kanin yung guys, yung kagabi guys, yung bahaw. Sayang to guys, pwede pa itong kainin guys, kay ito ni Lord. Tara guys, kain tayo guys. Sarap to guys. Guys, kain tayo. Huwag po sana ninyong kalimutan yung support yung FB page ko guys, Instagram at saka YouTube guys. Yun lang po guys for today's video guys. Maraming salamat po guys and God bless you.